go. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Well, at least the drivers are paying attention, even if Andrew can't. 31.89, throwing a coral right up and in. It will not be scored for points. It's a little bit shy, but a second one manages to dislodge it. I guess that's good. 3 robots on red, 3 robots on blue, all making moves towards that central reef. Red Alliance leading us off 22-9. And it will be the googly-eyed robot of 31.89 putting our first L4 of Teleop. 24.73, splitting the difference between both sides of the reef, and boing goes the coral off of that algae. Again, algae must be removed in order for L2 or L3 branches to be counted for scoring. Algae in contact with a coral will not count that coral for scoring, and coral bouncing off an algae likely will not be counted at all. 2073 now trying to bring a sweeping motion of coral over to the blue reef. 33-17, 90 seconds remain. And 5104, the breaker bots winding up that intake, off to the handoff and off to the races. 115, L3, coral engaged, but there is still an algae in that spot. They may need to remove that if they want some points. It looks like there's a couple L2 algae blocking off potential points. Could be a tactic from the Blue Alliance trying to keep those scores convincingly low. It's now the Gold Strikers along with the Circuit Breakers trying to find an angle here to score some L3 coral. But 31.89 going to lose control of the coral instead. And whoa! 5104 with a screaming tackle from the midfield onto 24.73. They've decided we've had enough of scoring. It's time to defend. And the breaker bots, well, we might see where they get their name, because they might break your bot if they tackle you any harder. Good golly gosh. 115 now, that's MVRT, a swing and a miss, a swing and a weeble wobble for that blue bot. 20 seconds remaining now. 5104, the breaker bots going for that first deep climb for blue. Seems like they're up in the air. They will need to hold this just a little bit longer. Gold Strikers trying to match them. Iron Claw, using their Iron Claw to try and grab that deep cage. It's up, but is it good? Oh, a buzzer beater from Gold Strikers. And the aluminum fish goes to red. 114-51. Incredible score, 5 ranking points in favor of the Red Alliance. 31.89 punching their way back up to 4th. What's